Oh, dear parents and my lovely students, greetings of the day. And you can see a image being given on my screen. Maths full form. What majority students find it's mental attack to handsome students. Ah, now those who are agreeing, those who agree, write on the comment box. Yes. I was also thinking like this. And we studied Meri Atma Tujhe Har Pal Sataye. We had made this maths full form in Hindi and in English mental attack to handsome students. But trust me, maths is very beautiful. And at Vedantu, when we have maths class, our students say, "Yay, maths class." Why? Why the children say this? Why they enjoy here? The reason behind is the way we are focused here to teach the students. It's not about the formula based learning, it's about the application based. It's not about memorizing the formula, it's about deriving the formula. It's not about only getting the results, it's about understanding and getting the results. Getting the results is a part. Solving the problem and understanding how to tackle that problem, how to develop the thinking, how to develop that interest. That is what we do here. How we can develop the interest, how we can love. If we are loving something, just imagine anything which you love the most, you would like to have it handy with you. You like to you like to spend some time on it. You whenever you feel, if let's say it's a toy, you try to play with it. If it is any subject is there which is your favorite subject, you like to take that subject whenever you feel good. Why? Because you love that. We always try to be surrounded by the thing which we love. The same way here, we try to create a love, a good bond between the subject and the student. So let me not go to all the mathematics part. Let me tell you a beautiful story, okay, of one great mathematician which made the application of maths so beautiful. So what happened? Okay, let me tell you two stories. So this mathematician is also called to be as the prince of mathematics by Raja. Okay, Rajkumar, I would say, prince of mathematics. But Rajkumar to tha, but he was very, very poor. He was belonging to a very poor family. Now he was being born in Germany. Germany में पैदा हुए थे. Now one day what happened कि उसके father जो थे है ना उनके अंडर में कुछ workers काम करते थे. So he was about to pay the money to them. So भाई वो calculations कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, राम श्याम है ना, and all those names. He was paying the money. Now this person, this mathematician who later on become a great mathematician, he in that child age only, in that age he was just about, he was just going school at that age. So he was standing and watching his father, and he struck, "Father, you have made mistake. The way you are calculating, that is wrong. The way, if you are calculating this way, you will end up with not giving the right calculations and not the right result." His father thought, "Hmm, how it can be possible? This child, my child is saying that I'm doing wrong." So he thought, okay, let's check it. And he recalculated, and he was amazed to see that a young boy, without doing anything, he was just standing and looking at him. He found the calculation was wrong. His father was very surprised. From here, his mathematical journey started, and people come to know, and he was getting a recognition. And the same, I would like to share one more story of him. Then one day in the school, a teacher was very busy with some other work. Okay, he thought, acha, it also happens, in school, like teachers get busy, so they try to give some work to the student, and for sure that students get engaged, they do not make any sound, okay, in the class, so that he can do his or her work. The same thing happened with one teacher, okay. He gave the work that, okay, you all the students listen carefully, write from 1 to 100 and add them up. So all students were busy. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. And they were just going on, going on, going on. They were calculating. So initially they were being easy to calculate. They were adding and they were calculating. But as the time goes, as the time went on, it they were calculating, and they were making a mistake. Again, they were recalculating, and the teacher was also busy. But he found one of the child was sitting idle with crossed hands. He found, is he not doing? So he thought, he asked him, hey, you boy, you're sitting idle? Have you completed? He said, yes, sir. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Let me finish my work and then I will check. So for the next 40 to 50 minutes, he was just sitting like this and just looking around other students what they are doing. So all were busy, all were busy. I thought, huh? Now it's the time. Let's check. So he call up lot of students, okay? And he just checked the calculations. He did the calculation even by using a calculator, and he was just searching for the answer. Now he called that boy and asked him, yeah, what is your result? And to be very surprised, the teacher found that he is only the guy in the class who got the right answer. Can you guess and tell whom I am talking about, students? Then write on the comment box if you have been able to figure out the mathematician, the prince of mathematician. Write on the comment box. And if you have guessed it as Carl Friedrich Gauss, then you are absolutely right. Yes, this is one of the greatest mathematician we have. Now, what he did, let us understand. So he said, sir, everyone was busy in adding it up. Everyone was being busy in adding 1 plus 2 manually. So it was really, really time taking. But what I did, I was observing. I was observing it. Okay, he said, what you were observing? I found, sir, that there is something pattern forming here. What kind of pattern did you found? So I found that if I'm adding 1 with 100, I'm getting 101. Okay, fine. So what's so new in this? Because the teacher himself, he was not being aware of. Okay, then then if I take 99 and take 1, I find that again it is making 101. So what? 101, fine. No, sir. If I take 98 and if I take 3, again I'm getting 101. Oh my god. So that means, sir, if I have 100 numbers, I will be making up with 50 pairs. I will be end up with 50 pairs. 100, 2, 99, 3, 98, 4, 97. Like this way, if we make up, we end up with 50 pairs. And if I multiply 101 as a sum with 50 pairs, I will get a very, very easy answer, 5050. My teacher was very shocked. Teacher was really shocked that how this small boy has been able to identify such a beautiful pattern, and the teacher himself thought that this boy is going to be a great mathematician. That is what happened in the later stage. This boy turned out to be the prince of mathematics. So we will never forget this name, Carl Friedrich Gauss. And this kind of pattern recognition we teach the students at Vedantu. At our courses, specially designed for it, that student should learn this kind of technique, this kind of the recognition patterns, this kind of non-routine problems, that how we can tackle it, how we can solve them. That is the beauty of the course. So I would highly recommend the parents to involve your children in doing such problems and learn the things. Thank you so much.